Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, Thesonofsomeman.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. If you like sneakers, you're into sneaker content, this is the channel for you. We try to drop a video every single day. Also, if you're brand new, hit that little notification bell down below. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. But anyway, guys, today we're gonna do a short video. It is Sunday. Yesterday I didn't upload simply because I got out of work at 1 o'clock and it's only my only day to just chill with my family. So that's exactly what I that's exactly what I did. But while I was at work, I did hit on something. Yep, I actually hit the LA Union Air Jordan 1 AKOs. Now I hit the white pair with the silver swoosh, I believe. Let's check it out real quick. I actually hit it on Nike sneakers too, so that was lucky. Also, too, guys, I got some pretty yes, the white pair with the silver swoosh I hit. They charged $150 for it, and I guess with shipping and everything comes out to $163. But anyway, guys, you're gonna stay tuned for that review because as soon as that comes in, we're gonna throw that out there. Remember, I wanted to buy those off GOAT, but like I said, they wanted $500 for them, and I wasn't paying $500 for a sneaker that costs $150 retail, and I was lucky enough to get it. But alright, so stay tuned for that review. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, if I have to say it again, I will subscribe to the channel. But also, guys, we also have a pair of Air Jordan 3 white cements coming in. Now, I don't own a white cement. The only white Air... Well, I do own a few pairs of white Jordan 3s, but they're not white cement 3s. I've never owned a pair of white cement 3s. Just like I was talking about the Playoff 13s. I never owned a pair of those. So those two I'm looking to pick up. One I already got. The 13 should be coming around this week, I believe. So stay tuned for that. The channel, this upcoming week, we'll have a lot of reviews for the channel as well. Also, guys, if you haven't seen this review, you could click the link at the top of the screen, check it out, come back here and finish this video. But I dropped this review on Friday. It's actually doing pretty well. I want to thank you guys so much for the support, man. These are actually very, very dope. I actually like this sneaker. I'm actually thinking about contemplating about copping it in my size. As you know, this is a size 9. It's not my size. But remember, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. They are, the people who supply us with the shoes every day to review for you guys. Well, most of the shoes on this channel come from J&M Sneakers. So make sure you check them out. Links will be in the description for that as well. But yeah, man. I'm actually waiting on a few packages. I got a few packages coming from 8 and 9. I got a few packages coming from my boy JF Grails. We got the Air Jordan 1 AKO Unions coming in. So we have a pretty busy week, guys. So I just wanted to hop on here. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, I've been trying to upload consistently. I've uploaded 6 days out of 7 days out of this week. So next week we're gonna, capitalize and continue to do the same. And just remember, each and every one of you guys, I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, man. Seriously, thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. But until next time, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.